Sige po. Ito lang po. Para may copy lang po. Pwedeng paikli lang siya ate, depende lang sa kung paano niyo sabihin.
Okay. Other one. Sa'yo na to.
Buy nyo na po, Bella by Bella.
Pwede sa under foundation, pwede on top. Ako nalagay ko under.
Ako meron akong nilalagay talaga bago mag-foundation.
Bago ng foundation. Para ano,
I think this is the new one that I'm gonna put now.
Aww, thank you
For
so
my
much.
face.
Maraming
First.
salamat.
As my entrepreneur friend, we're adulting.
We're
Right,
adulting.
ate? Oo na lang.
Oo, ano lang.
Hindi ko makakain ako.
Oh, kuya.
Follow me.
Yeah, I follow.
You're pretty now. Come on.
Thank you so much. Okay na yan, balang si Batman. Kilay na.
This.
Yeah, it's so
nice.
good. I like it.
Hi, beautiful ladies. You want to say? Oh,
Hi.
you're so pretty naman. I was trying to buy on your live the other day. Your first
Ay,
I'll
ah.
send you. No, I wanted to support. Ay,
Grabe
nakalagay.
naman
Nakalive.
yung pink.
Yeah,
I wanted to
Look at your
support
nose.
and buy.
Look at your
Pero
nose.
it was sold out.
Oh,
It was
my
sold out for
nose
that like
blush.
So bagay
I wanna
sa'yo.
buy. I wanna
Pero may
support.
filter yung mukha ko.
Oo nga, may filter. Paano ba tanggalin yung filter ng TikTok?
Ah, hindi. Meron na talaga ata.
Ah, talaga?
Tanong natin si Mr. TikTok.
Ayaw
Babae ba siya
yung
ulit?
totoong mukha natin, gano'n.
But beautiful ladies, I will
You're
leave
leaving
you.
na.
Yes.
Nice to see you.
Sorry, I was like,
So pretty.
You
Grabe
guys.
naman.
But congrats!
Thank you!
Congrats!
Nag-pink yung ano ko.
Yo, Ma'am Tyson, you. Ay.
Tsaka ito nag-pink.
O yung coach ko nagbaboxing daw sa village mo, nakikita ka daw. Sabi niya, gusto niya sumaba boxing, running, sa coach box, tumatakbo sila sa LG.
Sa village ko?
Oo. Kung gusto mo daw tumakbo.
Sa village ko.
Oo.
Si Coach Bok. Ah, taga doon siya.
Hindi, meron siyang client na taga doon.
Magkano isa?
Sige na yan, ma'am. Sige.
Hindi, magkano isa? Pero ganyan sila.
$349 only for 1 year na yan.
Ganyan mukha ko.
$349 only.
349 lang to.
Yeah, $349 for this look.
Ah, so amazing. I'm so proud of you, Mom.
Oh, thank you so much, Moms. Moms, alam ko kasi yung gusto bumili ng bag.
Sino?
Si Ate Natalie, pinipilit niya ako kanina ipadala sa LA kasi pupunta si Kyle. Sabi ko, Ate Nat, kung sold out siya sa website, sige, tatanungin ko si
Meron
Kim.
sa Monday. As in,
Hindi, classic yung gusto niya, yung black na, yung binigay mo sa akin na yellow. Remember? Hi po!
Ate Bella po.
Yes!
yellow. Ah, gusto niya? Pwede ka
Gusto niya black. Pero same yung yellow. Pwede ba? Isabay ko kay Kyle.
May trivia ka po ba for 24th?
What?
Trivia for 24th.
Oh, wow, wow.
Bibigyan mo ako.
Sa, sige po. Ito lang po. Para may copy lang po. Pwedeng paikli lang siya ate, depende lang sa kung paano niyo sabihin.
Okay. Bakit may trivia? Bagong segment?
Sa box po, may hawak po kayong yung year, yung box na hawak niyo po may
Mag-picture
year.
lang ako.
Bawat
Oh,
year
sige.
po no, dapat may trivia kayo. Mas better po dapat kung personal trivia nyo like.
Sa personal na buhay ko?
Yung